morning student and welcome to video lecture on topic pollution। ये जो pollution word है वो आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा। क्या है pollution? क्यों होता है pollution? There are various problems of environment। environment में जो है वो बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम से पोल्यूट हो जाता है। जैसे कि तुम्हारे बुक में पेज नंबर 54 में 3 फिगर्स दी है और कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं। व्हाई दिस प्रॉब्लम इन द एनवायरनमेंट मे हैव बीन अराइजन। सो द फर्स्ट पिक्चर शोज वाटर पोल्यूशन। अब ये जो वाटर पोल्यूशन है वो क्यों होता है? देयर आर factories on the bank of river and from the factories toxic effluents are released into the water body without any treatment. Similarly, factories are also letting out toxic gases in the air and this cause air pollution. Second figure जो है उसमें car is seen emitting smoke and the third picture to shows exhaust gases being released by the huge thermal power plant into the atmosphere. And from these 3 pictures, the common fact seen is responsibility of environment protection is not undertaken by anyone. Due to careless attitude of human being, every ecosystem is heavily polluted. Second question जो है, why should be done to overcome this problem? So the control of all types of pollution is an important aspect. Man is the only thinking of economic development and due to this pollution is reaching hazardous level. अब ये pollution है वो क्या है? Pollution is the contamination of natural environment that will be harmful to ecosystem. ये जो इकोसिस्टम है इसको ये पोल्यूशन है हार्मफुल, इसको बोलेंगे अपन पोल्यूशन। अब आपके बुक में है कैन यू टेल वेयर डू वी सी द पोल्यूशन अराउंड यू। पोल्यूशन कहाँ कहाँ देखते हैं? पोल्यूशन इज सीन इन द एंटायर सराउंडिंग। वाटर बॉडीज आर heavily polluted due to release effluent. Ocean, river, tank, canal are considered as the place where one can release all pollutant. Similarly, farms experience heavy pollution due to insecticidal spray, chemical fertilizer. In air, various toxics and particulates are released due to industries and vehicular traffic. Second question जो है, how does the pollution occur? Pollution कैसे होता है? Some pollution occur due to natural causes such as forest fire, dust, storm, volcanic eruption, etc. But pollution to greater extent and on the regular basis is due to the activities of human being. Man-made pollution is caused by every possible ecosystem. अब ये जो pollutant हैं वो कौन से हैं वो देखेंगे। Factors affecting natural function of ecosystem and causing harmful effects on the abiotic and biotic factors called as pollutant. And pollutant make the environment poisonous and unhealthy. अब फर्स्ट जो है pollution वो है एयर पोल्यूशन। उसमें एक क्वेश्चन है, कैन यू रिकॉल में, व्हाई इज इट सेड दैट एयर इज होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर ऑफ डिफरेंट गैसेस। ऐसे क्यों बोलते हैं? एयर इज ए मिक्सचर ऑफ मेनी गैसेस एंड वी कैनॉट सी द गैसेस बट बाय सर्टन मेथड gases can be separated from the air, therefore it is known as homogeneous mixture. Third question है, which different hazardous gases are released through the fuel combustion? So the combustion of fuel releases carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and various oxides of nitrogen and are released. Then reasons of air pollution. Which factors are responsible for pollution? Shown. Natural reasons and man-made reason. Volcanic eruption, earthquake, cyclone, forest fire and microbes in the air are the reasons. Natural reason and man-made reason: fuel, burning of solid waste, industrialization, large quantity from various factories, seed power in air. These are the reasons of water pollution, air pollution. Then एयर पोल्यूशन, उसके सोर्स एंड इफेक्ट्स. एयर पोल्यूशन जो है वो सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड फैक्ट्री से रिलीज होता है और इसके इफेक्ट जो है वो है इरिटेशन ऑफ आईज, रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट्स, एक्सेस म्यूकस, कफ एंड ब्रीथ. सेकंड जो है एयर पोल्यूटेंट वो है कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, वैक्यूलर एंड इंडस्ट्रियल स्मोक, लोअर ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ ब्लड. देन ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, वैक्यूलर स्मोक, इरिटेशन ऑफ रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट एंड लंग्स. Then particulate matter, vehicular and industrial smoke, respiratory diseases. Then dust, vehicular and industrial smoke. And effects है silicosis. Then pesticides है और मीथेन है, उसके इफेक्ट है poisonous skin cancer, asthma and respiratory diseases. और next है effect of air pollution on plants and animal. Plants, stomata get closed, showing dawn of rate of photosynthesis, growth is retarded, animal respiratory is adversely affected and irritation of eyes. Now effect है greenhouse effect and global warming. Though CO2 is present in very less quantity in atmosphere, it plays an important role of absorption of solar heat. दूसरा जो है वो है acid rain. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen are released into the atmosphere through the burning of coal. इसके जो effects है वो acidity of soil and water bodies. Water bodies increases due to acid rain and it harms the aquatic organisms, plants and entire forest life. एसिड रेन देखा है आपने अभी. देन इफेक्ट ऑफ एसिड रेन. एसिड रेन के जो इफेक्ट्स हैं वो अपन ने अभी देखे. उसके बाद है वाटर पोल्यूशन. द कंटेमिनेशन ऑफ वाटर विथ अनडिजायरेबल सब्सटेंसेस विच मेक इट अनफिट फॉर यूज इज टर्म एज वाटर पोल्यूशन. अब जो रीजन्स है वो क्या है? नेचुरल रीजन्स है एंड मैन मेड रीजन्स है. Aquatic weed, decomposing matter, mud, soil erosion, microbes, algae and nematodes. और ये man-made reason है वो है domestic sewage, industrial effluent, oil spillage, use of fertilizer, pesticides and other reasons. Then effect क्या होते हैं on human being? Diseases like hepatitis, typhoid, skin and alimentary canal. Then effect on ecosystem जो है वो retarded plant growth, loss of plant species, increased salt content. Then adverse effect on seabird. Other effect जो है वो changes in physical and chemical properties of water, changes in natural color and taste, useful aquatic fauna is destroyed, soil fertility is affected. These are the effects of water pollution. उसके बाद है soil pollution. Soil pollution refer to anything that causes contamination of soil and degrades the soil quality. It occurs when the pollutant causing pollution reduces the quality of soil and control soil inhabitable for microorganism and macroorganism living in the soil. उसके बाद है effect of soil pollution. ये जो soil pollution है उसके इफेक्ट्स क्या है? सॉइल फर्टिलिटी डिक्रीजेस ड्यू टू मिक्सिंग ऑफ salty acidic water and industry, radioactive and other pollutant enter and pass through the food chain like soil, crop, water and human body. Then the relationship of soil pollution and air pollution. If we waste is damp or wrong places instead of composting, pathogen grow upon it which are then mixed with water causing water pollution. अब इसका जो प्रिवेंशन है वो कैसे करना है वो देखो. प्रिवेंशन एंड कंट्रोल. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज enacted some laws for control, regulation and prevention of pollution. First law, Water Pollution and Prevention Act 1974, Air Pollution and Prevention Act 1981, Environmental Protection Act 1986. So various laws and rules are in the force in relation to biomedical waste, harmful effluent, solid waste and sound pollution. Similarly, government statutory bodies like Maharashtra Pollution Control Board, Central Pollution Control Board, about whether the industries, industrial areas, district council, panchayat samiti, gram panchayat etc. follow the laws about pollution control. So आज की वीडियो लेक्चर में अपन ने देखा वाटर पोल्यूशन, सॉइल पोल्यूशन एंड एयर पोल्यूशन, रीजंस एंड इफेक्ट्स. Thank you.